Hey, good day guys. How's everything going on your new assignment? Well, for Makati, I have found out that with a population of 710,383, it is considered as the 16th largest city in the country and ranked as the 40th most densely populated city in the world, with 18,654 inhabitants per kilometer. Not only that, Makati is one of the 16 cities that make up Metro Manila, one of the most populous metropolitan areas in the world. Makati is the financial center of the Philippines and one of the major financial, commercial, and economic hubs in Asia. As the host of various embassies, it is also an important center for international affairs. Whereas, at the center of the city is the Central Business District, where many companies in the Philippines have their offices or headquarters. And this is where many of the country's solid skyscrapers are located. The Makati skyline is one of the most impressive sights in Metro Manila. Good job, Ronnie. You're doing a great job. How about Las Piñas? Well, Las Piñas is famous for different aspects. Like it is world famous for its bamboo organ, located inside the St. Joseph's Church of the parish of Las Piñas, the only organ of its kind in the world. Built in the year 1824 by Father Diego Serra, created out of bamboo, wood and metal, this famous organ is praised for its unique, rare and melodious sound. Then, the Sarao Motors Factory is also located in Las Piñas City, the place where the world-famous jeepney is assembled piece by piece in painstaking individual production. It also has a large shopping mall named SM South Mall, which has an area of 205,120 square meters and is located along Alabama Ponte Road, the newest shopping mall development. The city is the SM Center, located few meters away from the city hall. Not only the Las Piñas City is also known as one of the cleanest cities in Metro Manila, and is in the list of the Clean and Green Hall of Fame awarded by the Philippine government. Okay, good job as well. Let's go to Pasay. Historically, Pasay was originally a barrio of Maasin. Separation was granted on December 2, 1863 and became a city on June 21, 1947 with a population of 88,000 and was renamed Rizal City after Jose Rizal, the country's national hero. Then, in 1939, it was renamed back to Pasay. Pasay City is home to the quarters of SM Group of Companies and the SM Mall of Asia, touted as the biggest mall in Asia, which opened on May 21, 2006. Also interesting in a budding strip of restaurants at the corner of EDSA Extension and President Avenue. It will also be the house of booming call-center business industry in the Philippines due to the vast land available located in the reclamation area. Good! And Mandaluyong, to research stories on the origin of the name Mandaluyong, but it is seen as the shopping mall capital of the Philippines because of its notable number of shopping and entertainment hubs. Located in a Ortigas Center in Shangri-La Place, a residential and entertainment district owned by Shangri-La Hotels and Resorts, but among locals, Mandaluyong City is often used in jokes and puns pertaining to a person's mental health. This is because the National Center for Mental Health, the country's premier mental health center, is found within the city. You guys will impress me. But you know what, guys? One common thing about these cities are issues of poverty and drugs. We might discuss these cities with its most distinguished notes, but moreover, not only the residents of this city, but almost every individual living in the Philippines are striving hard to reach success and somehow make their own needs in their own way.
Kevin, hubad ka na. Hindi, madali na magubad eh.
Bibigyan ka pa namin ng oil sa katawan eh.
Ha? Bakit? Ba't may oil pa?
Para hot daw.
Duk!
Para
May ganun. Oh. Gago kayo ba? Parang pag sinuot ko itong damit ko.
lilinisan na lang.
Titi tayo.
Alay mo sa bagwis ng iyong kayo, ang mga kanyang walang hanggang tulugas. Magbaon man sa iyo, hapdi ng puso, aabutin ang pangalan at ang bunga ng wagas mong pagsisikat. Pagkat ito kayang bigyan, kapalit ng dalamhati paghihirap.
Paano kaya tayo?
Sa atin.
Magdasal na naman.